Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. If you can hear me, it's Life in the Eastern Sierra. Today is Saturday, December 14th. It is 5 o'clock at night. Storm rolled in, rolled out. It's currently blowing out now. It's been a crazy day. We had some snow in the forecast and it jumped up big time. We probably got a little over a foot here at the house. But it's been crazy winds. I know if you're in California, you know, in the Bay Area, they had tornadoes and everything apparently. But this storm kind of jumped up and took everybody by surprise. Heavy winds and a lot of wind buffed, a lot of snow drifts, a lot of cars stuck. Basically, Mammoth Mountain was pretty much shut down all day. And tonight is their night of lights up at Canyon, which is kind of in that direction right now. So they're apparently still doing it with fireworks and everything like that. So unfortunately, it's kind of right when the kids' bedtime. So we will not be doing that this year. Next year, I'll be sure to go up there and get some footage. And it's pretty cool if you've never been here to witness it. They do a bunch of ski stuff up there. Sometimes they have people and what they call it, paratroopers, parachute people come in and with flares and all that, and they line up the snow cats and do some Christmas lights and all that. So it's a pretty cool event, usually really crowded, and usually I can see it from our deck. So if that happens this year, I'll try and take video of it from the deck. It's tough to see, but there's the fireworks going off at Canyon. But in the meantime, as you can see there, it's a full moon. Me and Rin here are going to go for a quick stroll around the block. We've been stuck inside all day because it's been blizzard conditions. So at any rate, we're just going to go for a walk here and come back and hopefully call it a night. It's been kind of a crazy day trying to deal with both restaurants and being short-handed. Both restaurants were extremely busy today for lunch and the early dinner because of everything being closed on Mammoth Mountain. So we'll take it, but it is not for the faint of heart, this business. So, all right, well, we're gonna keep walking here. As you can hear, the wind's whipping in. It's supposed to get super windy tonight. I don't know how it could be much windier it was during the day today. It was pretty epic, and that's me saying that. So, all right, well, here goes our big gust, and we're gonna keep trying to walk. What do you think, Rin? All right, let me put my headlamp on here and walk so I don't get run over. Okay, we're back. That was a short walk. Couldn't get much farther than halfway around the block. Just weather's too extreme. Whiteout conditions. Big loaders trying to move snow. Idiot drivers out doing 30 miles an hour in whiteout conditions. Me and Rand almost got killed multiple times. So we decided to cut it short, get back here in the house. As you can see, I already moved some snow earlier so the wife could get her car back in the driveway here. My truck's in the garage and that's where it's staying. So I don't think there's going to be any more snow tonight. It might be a couple inches here and there, but nothing that I cannot handle in the morning. And I'm sure the plow service will be here at some point in the next hour or two, if not first thing tomorrow morning. All right, well, let's get warmed up. What do you think, Rin? That was a valiant effort. I know you're disappointed, but you got to admit that was crazy. All right, let's get in front of the fire and call it a night here.